Hey everyone, welcome to Reach Mobile's video on how to take your SIM card in and out of your phone. My name's Cyan and I'm a customer success rep here at Reach Mobile. The first step is to make sure you have that iPhone for activation as well as your welcome kit. You've downloaded the app and completed the activation steps. Now, it's SIM time. When you open up that welcome kit, you'll notice that a paperclip is provided for you. With the paperclip, unfold one end so that it's pointing out. Now grabbing the device you're using for activation, locate your SIM tray. For the iPhone, you'll notice the SIM tray is located on the side. Apply the paperclip inside of the SIM tray until it pops out. And carefully remove your SIM tray from your phone. Now grabbing that SIM card from the Reach Mobile kit, you're going to want to take this card and pop that SIM right out the back. If you notice that your SIM isn't fitting quite right into your iPhone tray, try popping it out of that extra layer of white around it, and then you should be good to go. With your tray laying flat, align the cut edge of your SIM to the cut edge of the tray. Gently slide the tray back into your iPhone, hit your reset button, and you're good to go. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, happy connecting.